I move that leave be given to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Green Energy Act 2009 and the Planning Act, and that it now be read for the first time.
I will correct the record while waiting. Prince Edward Hastings.
Mr. Smith moves that leave be given to introduce a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Green Energy Act 2009 and the Planning Act, and that it now be read for the first time. It's the pleasure of the House. The motion carried. Carried.
This is a bill entitled An Act to Amend the Green Energy Act 2009 and the Planning Act. First reading of the bill, Premier Lecture, Projet de Loi.
Member for a short statement.
Mr. Speaker, the Green Energy Act 2009, as it currently stands, is written and overrides traditional municipal rules in regards to planning, restrictions and bylaws as they would usually pertain to green energy projects. It does that, Mr. Speaker, through Schedule K of the Act, which amends the Planning Act. The Planning Act is a tool that our municipalities utilize every day in their ability to draft plans, impose restrictions, enforce bylaws, and exercise the same basic controls that municipalities would be free to exercise over other major industrial projects. The Local Municipality Democracy Act 2011 is a way for the province to right a wrong by changing the amendments made to the Planning Act by the Green Energy Act, and by changing the Green Energy Act to give municipalities specific rights to enforce bylaws to protect the health and safety concerns presented by their citizens regarding these projects. We're treating our municipal government as partners in our democracy. More than 80 municipalities have already passed resolutions asking this legislature for the restoration of local control for these projects. Mr. Speaker, it's time for us to do as parliamentarians should and represent the expressed views of our constituents.
Thank you.